Japanese secret! Even if you are 90 years old, use this for wrinkles. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Did you know that aloe vera is not only a miracle drug for the skin, but can also be turned into an extremely simple homemade moisturizer? With just a few available ingredients, I will reveal to you surprisingly effective skincare, anti-wrinkle, and skin recovery recipes. Helps keep skin soft, firm, and youthful every day. Let's discover these secrets right away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Prepare 1 ginger root. Peel the ginger. Ginger helps reduce wrinkles and firm skin thanks to its antioxidants and ability to stimulate blood circulation and skin elasticity. Thereby increasing collagen, preventing aging, and making skin smoother. Grate ginger. Add grated ginger to the pot. Add 200 milliliters of water. Stir well with a spoon. Put the pot on the stove. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Boil over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Then let it cool. Prepare a glass cup. Fill the cup almost full with water. I used 1 large, juicy aloe vera branch. Soak aloe vera in water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the aloe vera will secrete this yellow resin. Aloe vera is the best collagen. It regenerates the skin and provides deep moisture. It also helps in skincare very well. Cut off the sharp thorns on the sides of the leaves. This makes handling the aloe vera safer. Once neatly cut, place the leaf on the cutting board, belly side up. Using a knife, gently separate the green skin from the white flesh inside. After separating one side, I used a spoon to scrape out the clear gel, which is the precious essence of aloe vera. Next, put this gel into a blender to puree. Aloe vera moisturizes the skin, prevents dehydration, and maintains skin moisture balance. Aloe vera helps fight inflammatory factors and improves cellular immunity. Transfer the gel into a glass jar. Now the ginger is cool. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel mix well with ginger. Mix well with ginger. Filter the mixture through a sieve. One teaspoon lemon juice. (100 milliliters of water). Transfer the mixture to a handy spray bottle for storage. Apply toner to face and hands. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Store in the refrigerator for 1 week. Method 2. Prepare a cup of clean water. I used a large, juicy aloe vera branch. Soak the aloe vera in water for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, the aloe vera will secrete this yellow sap. Then wash the aloe vera under running water. Aloe vera is a perfect moisturizer for dry and dehydrated skin. It also reduces shine in oily and combination skin and is anti-inflammatory. Cut off the sharp thorns on both sides of the leaf. This makes handling the aloe vera safer. Cut the aloe vera into thick slices for easier blending. Next, put the aloe vera in a blender and puree. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Aloe vera hydrates the skin, prevents dehydration, and maintains moisture balance for the skin. Aloe vera helps fight inflammatory factors and improves cellular immunity. Put the aloe vera in a clean, dry glass jar. Add a little sea salt to each jar. Sea salt helps improve blood circulation, heals scratches and wounds. Four drops of iodine. Iodine dissolves tissue proteins and is great for treating skin wounds. Mix well. Close the lid. Leave in a cool, dark place for 7 days. Apply this ointment to the joints every night. Apply the gel to the joints every night before going to bed for 12 to 14 days. Wash with warm water the next morning and apply another skin gel. Try one of these tips today, and if you have a better one, let me know. And remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Your support is what keeps me going and keeps me sharing more great kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.